Alright, I'm back. Someone said there was no audio. Let me check if there's audio now. There should be audio now. I'm gonna check the VOD though. No, there was audio. The fucker was lying. Motherfucker. He's a liar. Alright, I don't know. They have all these links and stuff here. Just like too long of a line or something. That person was lying. They said there was no audio. Rules. Oh wait, here it is. Oh my god. App header? What? Don't know how. Style, and then a script, and then a style. So I don't know what's going on over here. Did I only copy just, does this head only get the CSS? Yeah, I only got the CSS, okay. Weird, I... I'm gonna just assume it's that. I don't know. NG. I think this was all done in React then. Not React, Angular. Which AngularJS is cool and all, but like, what's the use? Style. What the fuck is going on here? Thought you could hide from me. Bro, Jesus Christ, why is there so many more here? Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna toss this into... I'm gonna toss it into here. Style. Save. This should format everything. I say should. I don't know. What? No. Ooh, hooray! Okay, now. This got it. Now this should be I don't know if this is all the data. We are using the following cookies. This can't be all the data. Hold on a second. Unless this context requires. So let me do a control search for that. Unless this. Oh, unless the context requires. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me see how this. All right, so let's see how this looks right now without the styling. Man, that's kind of tough. Let's see now with the styling. I think it's in here. interesting. It looks like the styling works pretty well. Only thing I want to see is I think it got me fucked up if they thought I was gonna pay. It's a scam, literally a scam, because if it automates it, creates it for you, and then they want you to pay, it's like then, like, what? It's not that hard to, it's a strange ass business model. I'm just kind of cleaning it up. So, and then let me do this. Where the fuck's my gift? So we're going to add this, and then, oh wait. Oh, and then I, and then I need to put this whole thing inside of a div. Okay, now let's see what this looks like. Bruh, is this not align information? Oh wait, this doesn't even have the. Alright, so what word is that supposed to be? The address. Okay. If this was complete, it would have my name. Yep, it does. Ha 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 ha. That attribution gone. I don't know why. What's the whole point of this in here? Is this like a React thing? I don't know. Here, let me so analytical we can take out. And then same thing with targeting, we could take out. Can we take that? Right? Alright, cookies. We or us. I have to fix the formatting. And then I don't know why. There's a TLC something on here. Oh wait, was it TLC or was it terms of, maybe I put it in. No, I don't have any. Alright. This website. This privacy policy applies to our use of any and all data. Why does it capitalize random words? I really don't know why. I thought I just capitalized that one. Privacy unless. Alright, so hold on. I need to lowercase this word. And why can I not copy, like, what? Okay, so that's what it is. It's the user select none. Okay. Oh yeah. I need to lowercase this word. Alright, so we are gonna go through it piece by piece, bit by bit. This privacy policy applies to between you, the user of this website, which again, I don't know why it capitalizes, the owner and provider of this web. I thought I just. Okay. Provider takes the privacy of your information very seriously. This privacy policy applies to any use and all data. Collectively, all information that you submit to Music Randomizer via the website. This definition, where applicable, small text file. By this website when you visit certain parts of the website. Details of this cookie are outlined in the clause below. Any applicable of the website. Let me just go through this. Hello, G-Man. How you doing? Working on this privacy policy that basically just took from the website. to restart my stream because someone said there was no audio. But when I checked, there was audio after the fact that I restreamed. So I was like, damn it. How are you? I'm doing good. How are you? Been busy today. Wasted like 5 hours fixing up my corrupted database, which is good now, but... And then I realized like what I wanted to do today, I couldn't do because I have to wait for some stuff to get done for the site, but... Now I'm just kind of cleaning up some stuff, getting a privacy policy created, which these sites they make you want to pay, but you know I'm not paying for a privacy policy. It makes no sense. The business model of paying for a privacy policy being generated doesn't make sense to me. So yeah, I'm not paying for it. Which makes no sense because I think I'm sure all these other sites do the same thing. They just take a privacy policy that that they can get from online. Good, I took my ATV for a joyride. That's cool. See, for this, they capitalized the word D in data and W for website. For what reason? It's like these keywords or something? That sounds like fun though. ATV. Wait, something happened here. Well, I like this one, this privacy policy better, because the one that I had before that I took, there was so many lines that were, it just felt like it's so unnecessary. Lots of mud. Yeah, that's the thing. Every time I see videos of people doing that, there's just lots of mud things everywhere. If I just get rid of this, then yeah, it doesn't. There's not that many lines, which is the good part, but also the annoying part, because I gotta go through it all. Get rid of these dead space lines. Let me save this and then take a look. This privacy policy underlies including See, like, why does it name contact information and then it capitalizes I in information? You just chilling, same. After this, I don't know when I'm gonna finish. I'm trying to be done soon. I was gonna stop streaming earlier, but I don't know, because I was so pushed back by earlier by what I wanted to do, and I couldn't get stuff done because I have to wait, because I have this new way of doing a database, collecting the stats, and I created a new way of doing it, and I wanted to do the graphs such that like this. Oh wait, am I not? Yeah, it's not gonna pop up anymore. But I wanted to do it something like, this isn't the final design, keep that in mind. But I wanted to do graphs and something like this. But I have to wait until I can get more data populated. Very new to all this. It's all good. And so I had to change my script because of the way I'm doing this now is different. So yeah. But I'm working on a music site, which is essentially what all this is. It's I'm remodeling it. And I know what I'm gonna put in this corner. Down here is where I'm going to put the report, and the shuffle button is going to go here. Report button will be down here. But yeah, this is a music site that I'm redoing the UI on. The music site currently is live, but the UI, it's very bad. So, yeah, that's why I'm doing it like this now. I get so happy when I look at the old UI versus this. It just looks so much better. But now that I have a login system, I need to add a privacy policy. Which, online, you can get one online, but they all make you pay. And it's a scam because it's like if I go to, let me find a random website and see what their privacy policy is. If I just search up Bill's Fish Shack or something. And this I'm sure there's some sites that are here that don't even have what was that Foursquare? They don't even have privacy policies. Let me see. Download songs legally. Alright. Privacy policy. Let's see what this site sounds like. Bullshit. Yeah. It is bullshit. Thing is, this site, they have a standard privacy policy, which I could, you know what, it might just be easier. It might just be easier to just steal this. because it's. Let me just steal this. It's a lot easier. And yeah, okay, yeah, like and that's the thing. They if they can auto-generate it, why am I paying for it? And then whenever I look up, when you look up free, hold on. When you look up free privacy policy generators, it's all free until the end, and it's like, so it doesn't make sense to me. I'm gonna just take this. This is a lot easier than what I'm doing, because this I took from an actual site through Inspect Element, but I took it from this site. I took it from this site because I thought it was free. I thought it was free, and at the end they're like, "All right, time to cough up money," and I'm like, "What? I don't understand. What does me paying for, like, when you look, like, it doesn't make sense because there's no difference with this privacy policy that makes it any more official than this already." And I understand. It's just the. It's a business, I get it, but it's like, come on. People want to create sites every single day, and it's like, really? Alright. They're like millions, not to say millions, but thousands of sites are created every day, and yet you can't find a simple privacy policy to use. It's like, bruh. So this can go back to style. You shouldn't have to. Yeah, you shouldn't. Especially, like, because the thing is, I never know with a privacy policy what I need. And the thing is, I never, like, and I don't want to go to a lawyer, because for a lawyer to draft one up and all, it's like, these other sites really just say the same shit, but they don't have anything special. Like, what this site that let me see, does this site have a login system? Why does my they don't have a login system. Let me find a site that has a login system. And see. I join stream. Nice. Alright, let me find sites that have login systems and see if. Yeah, alright, this site has a login system. Simple login system. And then privacy policy somewhere. Oh, here it is. Look there, it's pretty standard. It's literally updated this year. I joined streams with 0 people to keep the streamer company. My brain broke for a second. It's all good. The discoverability on YouTube streams have never been there, So it's nice. See that? I never really watch YouTube streams. I don't think the issue with YouTube streams is they don't really show up on the dashboard unless you follow or subscribe to someone. And YouTube took away YouTube Gaming, so it's not like they have their... And the YouTube Live section is not that good. I don't even know where that button is, to be honest. But, you know... I stream on YouTube because I hate Twitch. I used to stream on Twitch for a good year, and it got to... It's mentally... Like, I couldn't do it mentally. The incentive program that Twitch tries to force people... I mean, you could stream without caring about the followers and stuff, but Twitch is not mentally good for you. I had 50 followers, I had the stream time, I couldn't get the average viewership. And that was the biggest issue that I hated, was getting in... They shouldn't incentivize an average viewership if they're going to say you need at least 50 followers. It doesn't make sense to me. Because 50 followers to get an average viewership of 3 people is very hard for me, at least. I'm just not entertaining, but it wasn't good for me. On YouTube, I'm sorry to hear that. It's all good. On YouTube, it's not that bad because YouTube, the only thing they penalize you on is if you stream for a long time, and then if your VOD has an issue, YouTube can't fix it. You would have to download it and fix it yourself. So that's why I try and keep my streams sort of short and then restream in case the VOD has an issue. Because YouTube's their editor thing could fix it. And good thing about YouTube is if you stream copyrighted music, they just copyright the video. They don't take it down. On Twitch, they mute the VOD. The whole section gets muted, and that's so weird to me. I hated that because it's like I'd be streaming and then all of a sudden it'd play a song that might be copyrighted and it just mutes it until the song's over. And it's just like weird to me why that, like, YouTube doesn't do that. They just copyright the video, which I'm fine with. I don't make money off of YouTube anyways. But I never understood why. Like, sometimes I think YouTube, like when you stream, sometimes they'll try and shut down the stream, but I've never understood that. My boyfriend is having a problem. That's not good. Alright, I'm gonna steal this privacy policy. And, what I'm gonna do... Oh wait, that's not it. Throw it in here. I need to try and copy the format that this does it in. Updated, let's say, August 24th. Music randomizer. Of course, I am not these people, so I'm gonna have to change these. The intent of this privacy notice is to inform you of our policy and procedures regarding the collection we receive from the users of the Music Randomizer website. extra fluff. We may update this to notify you of any changes and updated data above. So please review it frequently, information, blah, blah, blah. Alright, first part. Alright, so I think the way this is gonna load, it's going to load as wait. Let me put that here. Okay, I think everything that's good, that's good. I don't like that the text flows over to where I can't read it, so that's why I'm doing all this. Looks good. Thank you. I mean, I just took this from a site, so I didn't really do much here. But I'm not trying to pay for something that should be free. And plus, a lot of these sites just be using the same ones. And so if these sites don't get in trouble, then I should be good. And they have login systems. So. But then again, what really defines a privacy problem? Never mind, problem is I have no clue what I'm seeing. No problem. What are you? I'm confused. Howdy. What's up, the Redstonia? What a username. Redstonia? That Minecraft reference or something else? Policy toward children. I don't need that. Okay, now time to do this. I'm his boyfriend. Oh, he invited me to hang. Okay. I mean, I'm not really doing much. I'm working on my music site. Hello. I still gotta change out all these names here. They keep using Globus and whatnot. I'm not them. Okay, cookie is a small file that we data transfer, blah blah blah. Minecraft reference back when I was 10, I wanted to be a Minecraft teacher, but then I failed and realized all my recording software was broken. Damn, 5 minutes, that sucks. I remember. I used to play Minecraft back then when I was like 16, I think. I was playing on my mom's old MacBook that I was using for something, and I remember this world. It was pretty fun. It was back when they added it was back when they added I think, what's that ore called? Not ore. Block. Andesite. Those ones. I was playing during that time. I was playing a lot of. That was the andesite when they added the water boss. Is the audio good? Like the lofty hip hop music, is that good? Playing in the background? Like, can people hear it? I can't tell. Redstone is so much, bro. I love Minecraft and I love Redstone. I just don't have enough time to mess with it because I'm working on a lot of other stuff that I don't have time to really. I want to get back into Minecraft. The audio's good. That's good. I want to get back into Minecraft, but this latest update was just not it for me. Music's kind of quiet, but it's noticeable. Oh wait, why did it go down? Okay, let me know if that's good, but then also let me know if my voice is hearable. Like, you can hear my voice also. I can never find a balance. It's the worst thing as a streamer is trying to figure out that balance. Alright, that should... No, hold on. It's good? Alright, that's good. I want this latest Minecraft update, 1.19. It did not spark my... I did want to play it, but it did not spark my interest enough to really jump back into it. Actually perfect, doesn't overpower your voice, but I can still hear you. Hey, that's good, that's good. I'm sorry if you hear a lot of my chair, because I don't have a good mic position, because I'm currently in California I was here for the summer, but I leave in a week and a half, I'm gonna be gone. But, this mic picks up every sound I make, except my voice sometimes. Sometimes I watch my VODs and my voice be so low, but my mic's right next to me. I'm just like, what's going on? But every time I move my chair, it picks it up and it sounds like a nuke went off. I'm just like, please. I was such a Redstone fanatic when I learned about it. Most of the stuff I learned is from watching. Yeah, and then the fact that they added wireless redstone now with the shulkers, whatever those things are, I I can't. I thought I would start seeing people do some interesting things with it, but I haven't seen people do that much with it yet. Aside from when it was pre-released. Alright, we need to... The next thing I need to do is format this. Format this pretty... Right. But yeah, when... That Shulker stuff is really cool. And then I don't know if anyone here watches Hermitcraft. Here, let me see if I can pop out the chat. Cause I'm getting more chatters than normal, so I need to read the chat, and it's kind of small on my screen. Oh, this idle size. Bro, it says when I learned about shulks, I fangirled so hard I made. Yeah, I love the concept of wireless redstone like that is so cool. I don't know if anyone here watches Hermitcraft, Doc M. He did a big thing with it that. Oh wait, shit, that's really small text. I made a giant sword on top of mountains, water flowing from the handle. Shulks are a bit tough topic as anything sets it off, so and making hidden bases would be cool. Would be a bad idea if a zombie could just... Yeah, that's the thing. It would be cool if you could assign certain sounds to it. I think that would be very cool. But the other thing with it is they changed how mob spawning works. So I think that also helps with it, because it has to be light level 0, in which it's either, like, you could just put down mushrooms to put it, ground mushrooms give light level 1. So it's fine with that, but I think it's, I think the issue with 1.19 is it didn't get me. There's not enough content for me to really get into it, and I don't have a lot of time to spend on redstone, which I should maybe get into more, but I don't know. Let me do this, and then let's do margin top. Potato. I want to make a mountain base with triggered light sources that turn off and on when you leave. Yeah, I think it's a lot better now because you don't have to use tripwires. Which, tripwires were interesting. I don't think a lot of people use them though. Guess what? What? Now is a BR supposed to be... what's a... Later on in life, I attended Roblox Studios, but Roblox built-in recording system only records maybe about 10 minutes. Roblox, I don't play it. I played it once, twice. It's interesting to say the least. I'm not exactly sure what to think of it because there's so much that they have with it that I'm kind of confused on what their main purpose is. You call it a dog with no legs? Isn't that just a hot dog? I think that's a hot dog, right? Doesn't matter any. Jesus. Okay. I gotta get the. Hold on, I thought I had. Where is it? Wait, that's not it. Okay, so I need to change this. Alright. Our site. We're gonna need this. Let me make sure that tab space is correct. What do you call a magic apple? I don't know. Okay, so that's a tab, alright. Why did I thought I saw something there. Guess not. Houdini. Or Boudini. Wouldn't it be who? Oh wait, I thought I was on the code. What I'm missing here is what did the kid with no arms get for his birthday? I don't know. still feels good. Gotta go sleep. I gotta go. I sleep. Me neither. He hasn't opened it yet. That's a good one. Alright, see ya, G-Man. Have a nice night. Committed of this privacy notice. To inform you of our policies, we may update this from time to time. Meaning, unless we have otherwise defined it as have the same meaning as our check the hat, check the horse. That one should be done. This BR should have a double, and then these need to have here. And then between A and B, we should have double here. So we gotta go through now and add these here. Whole hand just hurts, like, oh my god. Alright, let me read through this. When you register with us, the service fee employees will ask you to personally identifiable, ask you for personally identifiable. This refers to information that you can use. Your name, username. I'm not going to ask for your password. I'm surprised they even have that in there. You may be required to provide your password. That's kind of a red flag. Why is that slight? Such as, in addition, you may be required to have the option to provide additional, such as phone number, mail address, or create a search index, such as. Alright, this whole last section can probably be taken out. Alright. We may ask for your information that is not personal, such as your organization. Non-identifying information. I feel like the whole section of B could be taken out. When you use the services, whether logged into a music randomizer account or as a user, says we automatically check about your use of the services and visit to the sites. When you use, whether logged into, we automatically record information about the use of the service and your visit to the sites of the services. We really I just do this. No, I don't do any of this actually. Is using, we provide a secure, we use your information service delivery. Important service announcements such as major site updates, informational email, or to convey the status of activities you have requested from the services. That's correct. Randomizer users in order to predict experience marketing. Whatever that is, we can leave that there. With an explicit request, they will comply. If no event, we will make your personal information available for a. In no event will we make your information public for a feed or for marketing not related to music randomizer. Use your personal info for research purposes. Never disclose. We may share aggregated data does not include. That's true. Okay, we're about halfway through. This is good. This is very good. This is a lot faster than the other stuff. We may employ third-party services. Wait, what does this say? Service we may use, service providers, customer support ticketing, support development software, security, mailing lists. Clients, we cooperate with law enforcement, blah, blah, blah. Other may be able, music randomizer users may be able to see your personal information, may be able to see your non-identifying information, such as, for example, all music randomizer users may see your username. Access to some resources and features may require you that you share additional information with other music randomizer users. For example, a group manager may ask you to share your phone number, however. Non-identifying may be shared. Transfer of data. We're not doing any of this. We may have to share in the event of a reorganization in the event we merge or assign all part of assigns to another party, but such that other parties shall have the same obligations with yours. Yep, this is for if we ever sold the site. Yep. Cookies. Should have my own cookie policy. Oh, that's perfect. Individual rights. Here we go. Write the data. We encourage you to bring your own concerns. Phishing. We do not, and will not at any time request your credit card information, login, password, email. You may review and update or delete your profile by logging into and changing your We may retain your personal information till we have requested you delete. You may retain your. Well, we don't have any I guess the username, so it is no longer necessary. May retain. May purge log data. We retain log data. Blah. We employ commercially administrative. However, no method of data transmission is 100% secure, so therefore we cannot guarantee. I'm gonna put this in bold because it's true. We cannot guarantee the safety of your data. We make disclosures of any assignment, I don't know. So they're required. You grant us the right to assign the information collected. Yep, that's true. Your information may be transferred to your consent to this privacy policy states as followed. Blah, blah, blah. Our sites contain links to other websites. If you choose to click on third-party link, you'll be directed to third-party. The fact that we link to a website is not an endorsement authorization. It is not an endorsement of their policies. Blah, blah. This looks pretty good. Let's see how this looks here. It's not August, it's July. and then let me check. Here we go. Okay, so we don't have a cookie policy. What is this site I just took this from? What's their cookie policy? They gotta have a cookie policy, right? Yep. And their terms of service. Let's go. Let's go. Their cookie policy is just going to be the same as mine. Alright. So where's my... Done. Privacy policy. Done. Cookie policy current. So essentially, you know it's crazy. Essentially, cookie policy is magically delicious. No, our cookie policy is somehow the same as theirs. It's crazy how this this is crazy that my cookie policy also somehow became like theirs. These cookies. Category purpose necessary. I think this I'm gonna change. So I'm gonna do is actually linked now. Damn it. Microsoft Edge, and it won't work. It'll only work on Firefox and Chrome. If you're using Microsoft Edge, it won't work. And one thing I forgot to do over here, I forgot to make that then let me make sure. Find a site that I could just steal from. That you disable randomizer cookies. You may find that fixes for sites do not work. For example, you may have had difficulty signing in to a page that just. Let's go. What else they got here? Oh wait, their terms of service. While I think their terms of service is gonna be different, I think we can use it, but I'm kind of tired right now. But done. And you know what that means in our code? On what's left? On what's left? Done. Done. This is actually, I got this done like last week. Settings, site functionality. So if we could get this artist page done next week, then I think, and next week, and then tomorrow I'll do the terms of service. Tomorrow will be terms of service, and what did I say tomorrow was? A reporting system. Alright, so that's gonna be it for the stream. Catch y'all later. I'm gonna go do shower and